It's Thursday, July 19th. I'm Jeff Fretz, and you're watching Axiory's News. The euro dollar was able to break above daily pivot, and if it can break above R1, it will open way towards R2 resistance and a further rise, suggesting R3 may be in the future. But rebound will be indicating decline, and fall below daily pivot will be indicating targeting at support S1. A bullish trend for the euro dollar. The dollar yen has reached support S2, and it will probably bottom and rebound, testing former support S1, with limitations at daily pivot. In this case, it will only be a correction, but a break above daily pivot will be probably the beginning of an upward move. However, further fall below current support will open way to the next support at S3. A bearish trend today. The sterling dollar is above daily pivot and will be able to break above R1. It will focus on R2. If the upward move continues, next objective could be at R3. Our indicators show a bullish trend. Our last outlook, if the dollar franc continues in decline, will be at S2 support, but right now it seems price could rebound from S1, which would indicate a rise above daily pivot, and it might be limited at resistance R1. A bearish trend is still predicted. Today, first news will be released at 9 a.m. GMT, when ECB is going to report figures about trade balance in the euro area. A surplus is expected at 2.21 billion euro compared to the previous surplus at 2.48 billion euro. In addition, it will have a medium impact on the euro. Next at 9:30 a.m. GMT, Office for National Statistics will publish new statistics about UK retail sales, which are expected to rise 0.6%. In the previous month, sales rose by 1.4%, and analysts await a high impact on the cable. At 1:30 p.m. GMT, Department of Labor will release regular weekly numbers about U.S. unemployment claims. Analysts expect an increase in jobless claims from 350,000 in the previous week to 360,000 this week. Also, it will have a high impact on the dollar. Continuing with U.S. news, at 3 p.m. GMT, National Association of Realtors will publish data about existing sales. Previous month sales reached 4.55 million home resales, and today they are expected an increase to 4.64 million. Also at 3 p.m. GMT, FED of Philadelphia is going to release its figures about manufacturing index. It is expected to improve from minus 16.6 to minus 7.9 points, but it is still indicating worsening conditions in manufacturing. Both this news and the last will have a high impact on the dollar. Concluding our broadcast today, we have reached our trader section, giving you the chance to become profitable with our best traders and strategies. Glimpsy strategy in Mirror Trader is holding at first place, but has fallen to 487.2 pips. Second, Teo was able to rise 248.8 pips, and DB Intraday added over 100 pips and stands at 300.4 pips in total. India Rose and MultiTrader rose by 0.2% to 25.68% in monthly gain. On the downside, FX Multiplier declined by 0.38% to 25, and Low Risk Invest in third position also recorded loss at 0.18%. A 93% loss was recorded in Trade Leaders platform, where LW Trading fell to 3,471%. Also, Joining Jang declined, but only by 1%, and third place Whitestone Asset hasn't changed. And on this date in 1969, Apollo 11 goes into orbit around the moon. Thanks for watching. Have a profitable day. See you tomorrow.